Sir, what if the PWBD employee is eligible for notional promotion? I have already explained. कि notional promotion के अंदर but the selection was finalized only in 2020. Is still to be promoted from 2026. This date of eligibility for promotional promotion. See, it should be as per the panel seniority. जो भी पैनल की सीनियरिटी होगी उसी के बेसिस पे होगा. Need not to share your Gmail in the chat box. Your mail address already been captured with your login. So after we have already data trail of your mail address, so we will mail you of this PPT. Don't worry. I again request, please don't drop your mail in the chat box. We will give you this PPT in your mail ID. The mail ID is automatically captured by the WebEx and we will share on it. If you have any question, you may raise the doubt. I hope I have already addressed all the different dimensions of the issue, selection, zone of consideration, everything. If still you have any question, please drop the chat box. Otherwise, we'll close the meeting. Please don't drop your mail address in the chat box, please. It will bombard the chat box with the your mail address. It will not serve the purpose. Is employee after entering into service are eligible for reservation in promotion PW? Very nice question, Abhay ji. I missed this topic. The question is employee eligible after entering into service after eligible for the reservation for promotion? First, as we discussed initially, the purpose of this act is this PWBD is dynamic concept and evolving concept first. It means even the PWBD employee who is entering in the service but not PWBD employee but subsequently acquires the disability. Here disability means 40% and above. That on the date he which acquired the certificate, on that particular date, he will start getting the benefit of reservation and promotion or benefit in the seniority. Sir, whether 40% permanent disability or 40% temporary disability candidate considered for the promotion under PWBD collection. See, 40% temporary or 40% permanent. Such type of classification is with respect to our Compensation Act, not with respect to the PWBD. Here means 40% permanent disability and medical board gives the certificate of permanent disability of 40%. So here there is no concept of temporary disability. So PWBD reservation, Omendarji, PWBD reservation applicable or not for non-direct post, that is post. See, for all post, PWBD reservation is applicable in case of reservation and promotion. Only in the category where the direct recruitment is more than 75%, their reservation for PWBD is not in. In 70% APO selection, I got 58.67 mark. I am eligible for interview. Am I visually impaired? I am not able to understand your question. Is the Group D employee eligible for the reservation and promotion? Vinod Kumar ji, reservation and promotion is applicable all the Group C we discussed in the slide. If only one PWBD candidate is qualifying for Group B after passing 60% marks, but he is unfit medically, will another PWBD candidate whose marks is less than 60 marks to be called for the interview? I think it is standard election other than school. The first thing, if there is a certain classification of particular category, then that particular employee should be allowed to write the exam. It is not like that if the blind is not eligible for the particular post and I will ask him to write the exam. It is not just. Sir, please explain once more how to give weightage in selection. You can read the slide. I have explained it very nicely. PWBD reservation in helper SNT category is available, but no earmark for such reservation in technician and SJ indicated in the railway board guideline. Kindly clarify, sir, whether such reservation should be extended to all cadres in the channel. See, these things need to be more deliberate upon, require more clarification from the board. Sir, please unmute me. Please drop the question. I will not able to unmute you all. In case of assessment of only one post in the particular year, whether PWBD reservation is applicable, otherwise, Dilip Kumar Ji, in case of assessment of only one post in a particular year, see, it is in vacancy based, and we already discussed reservation and promotion is first rising vacancy. So if it is not a single cadre post, then definitely reservation will be allowed to the PWBD candidate. Appendix 3A is received passing marks 30%, but no PWBD candidate qualified. Whether I am not able to understand question, Ravindra ji. We will not unmute anybody. Please drop the question in chat box. नमस्ते सर, क्या मिनिस्ट्रियल स्टाफ में कार्यालय अधीक्षक से कार्यालय अधीक्षक में दिव्यांग जनों को लागू होगा या नहीं? एज पर द एक्ट रिजर्वेशन एंड प्रमोशन में सारी पोस्ट के अंदर रिजर्वेशन एंड प्रमोशन लागू होगा, केवल जहां 75% से ऊपर है वहीं रिजर्वेशन एंड प्रमोशन लागू नहीं होगा. सर, माय टाइपिंग पास 80% लोकोमोटिव डिसेबल. आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. सर, रिजर्वेशन of PWBD is applicable only post those identified. Sir, recruitment और promotion उन्हीं पदों पे होगा जो पोस्ट उनके लिए आइडेंटिफाइड है, बट वैकेंसी और कैलकुलेशन उन सारे पदों के लिए होगा जितनी वैकेंसी हम नोटिफाई कर रहे हैं एज पर द एक्ट. इफ नो रिलैक्सेशन स्टैंडर्ड प्रिस्क्राइब फॉर SC ST, तो ऑलरेडी डिस्कस, अगर SC ST के लिए कोई रिलैक्स स्टैंडर्ड प्रिस्क्राइब नहीं है तो जनरल कैंडिडेट चाहे वो PWBD हो चाहे वो SC ST हो, उसको कोई रिलैक्सेशन नहीं है. इफ सर, व्हाट इफ दैट डिसेबिलिटी वाज देयर एट द टाइम ऑफ इनिशियल अपॉइंटमेंट? I missed the question, Gaya. Sir, what if the disability was there at the time of initial appointment, say in 2010, but he was selected in general quota? Can now he claim reservation against the PWBD in the further post? Yes, he can submit the certificate of 40% disability. He can claim certificate. Appendix 3 accounts internal department exam, the passing marks of 30%, but no PWBD candidate qualify whether lowest candidate is eligible. Sir, without getting the further facts or the figure, I am not able to comment. Sir, you explained reservation and promotion is eligible for Group C. Is Group C and Group D same? There is no Group D technically. It is level 1 and level C. It is applicable to all. In terms of the DEPWD notification 2010 dated number 4, post of guard passenger has been identified being held for PWBD in notification, but in the feeder grade as the goods train manager not been identified as also in the safety category and also in the safety category. And with the A2 medical classification in terms of DOPD notification, so and so, guard passenger has been identified being held by the PWBD, has been identified in the notification, but in the feeder grade as the goods train manager has not been identified, and also it is in the safety category with R2. So what is the question? I am not able to understand. You want to clarify or say? Handicap typing exemption, I already shared the letter, you can read it. If PWBD employee is in probation, is he eligible for the promotion? So simple promotion rules apply, no special relaxation. Sir, identify post letter. This is the final letter. 2021 letter is a final letter. अगर नीचे के कैडर में सिर्फ LM श्रेणी का ही उपलब्ध है तो क्या उसे अन्य बिंदु के विरुद्ध पदोन्नति दी जा सकती है? हमने इसमें डिस्कस किया था कि अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर कैडर में उसी पोस्ट के व्यक्ति को पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी के लोगों को ही रिजर्वेशन दिया गया है तो उसी कैटेगरी का आगे फर्दर चलेगा. अगर दो है तो इक्वल शेयर होगा. What if the person change his cadre from one post to another post? Then can it be implemented for 2016? What does it matter? अगर उसने कैडर चेंज किया है तो कोई GDC का एग्जाम लिखा होगा या कुछ लिखा होगा तो उसकी बेसिस पे किया होगा उसने कैडर चेंज, which will apply. As per the instruction, unfilled departmental quota vacancies are transferred to LDC quota. In such case, your SC ST vacancies are transferred to LDC quota. Similarly, PWBD quota vacancies notified are also transferred to LDC quota or otherwise. See, the posts are transferred, then same roster will also be transferred. Can candidate with temporary disabilities are not part of the PWBD? Sir, from where we can get the PPT? I already mentioned, we'll share the PPT to your mail address. PWBD reservation and helper ST categories available, but Sir, these things need further clarification from the board. There are certain, it is evolving constant, it will take time. Barrier, example useful for providing the interpreter sign language, you can watch your YouTube for. ठीक है sir, we'll try. We don't have such interpreter as on date. Need assistance device, they are asking circular. You can search DOPT circulars are also available. Assistance device can be purchased by the candidate. Money can be sourced to the SBF. चलिए, thank you very much for patient hearing. So many questions again. In case of non-availability of PWBD candidates to fill up the earmarked vacancy, the reservation will be carried for the next cycle. It means that the vacancy in the current can be filled by appropriate SC and ST by carry forwarding the yes. NV Narayavesa, you have written right. Sir, reservation in PWBD is applicable for non-direct ministerial post. It is applicable for promotion as well as recruitment. If the PWBD employees who is within the normal zone of consideration and down in the seniority list will be considered eligible to appear in the JEE PRQ selection exam despite not having completed, no. जो नॉर्मल प्रमोशन के कैटेगरीज हैं, जो वो तो आपको फुलफिल करना ही पड़ेगा. देयर इज नो फर्दर रिलैक्सेशन कि आपने 2 साल पूरा नहीं किया है और आपको प्रमोशन दे दिया जाए. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर. प्रमोशन कोटा में टोटल पोस्ट अगर 20 होता है तो उस कैडर में पीडब्ल्यूबीडी का 4% के हिसाब से कैसे मिलेगा, क्योंकि 4% मींस 25 पोस्ट होता है. ना ना ना, आपने शायद ढंग से नहीं सुना. आपको 100 पॉइंट का रोस्टर मेंटेन करना है. 100 पॉइंट्स का 4% यानी 20, और हमने 4 ब्लॉक में डिवाइड किया है अरुण जी. दैट मींस अगर आप 20 पोस्ट का कर रहे हैं तो केवल एक पद ही पीडब्ल्यूबीडी का रिजर्व होगा. आप उसको पढ़िए. While uploading the PPT, please upload the circulars. Sir, circulars embedded in the PPT with in form of QR code. You can scan it and get it. हर PPT के हर स्लाइड पे जहां जहां सर्कुलर है वो उसके अंदर QR कोड से दिए गए हैं. आप उन QR कोड के थ्रू आप उनको स्कैन करके पढ़ सकते हैं. If the person appointed as a station master then selected as a controller, then he has given benefit of promotion from SS to SM to the single will his prospective promotion to the. This is not relevant to this particular discussion. Sir, 4 categories of PWPs are to be followed in the fixed manner in the 100 port, or it has to be decided by the HOD. Sir, for जानी जी, जो आपने लिखा है वो उसी ऑर्डर में है. नेक्स्ट ईयर अगर वो वैकेंसी फिल नहीं होती है तो इंटर ऑपरेशन पॉसिबल है. सेकेंड ईयर में भी वैकेंसी फिल नहीं होती है तो उनका लैप्स पॉसिबल है. चलिए, thank you very much for patient hearing. We will see you in the next VC. Thank you.